Let me do a little twirl.
Melanin in my skin. Melanin, yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kitan. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be a ZARA haul. Can someone please explain to me what actually happened with ZARA? So I haven't shopped at ZARA for real in about a year because I felt like this stuff wasn't really gingering me like the way I would have liked. One of my friends hit me up and was like, yo, have you seen ZARA's new arrivals? And so of course I had to go check it out, and let me show you guys what I went to go and buy. Okay, look at how much stuff I bought. You get the gist. Long story short, I went crazy on ZARA. I got a bunch of stuff and I figured, you know what? We are going to do a haul. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. If you like this video and want to see more hauls from me, then make sure you give this video a like and make sure you comment down below which pieces you are loving. Without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm gonna start off with this yellow number. I mean, let me do a little twirl. I got a medium, right? And I got it really quickly. I got it in like one day. Once I tried it on, it was just a little bit too loose. This is a knit material, so it wasn't really, you know, holding me in the way I was. Yeah, this fits really well. I would suggest that you size down. If that's the one where it's like your normal size is a medium, you know, you get a small. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this dress. I don't know where I'm going. But you know what? That's what shopping is for. You just buy anything you figure out later. This is item number 1. What do you guys think? Oh, I love this. Wow. By the way, this is my shapewear mixed with my bra. But can we actually have a look at this suit? Oh, this is one of those suits that looks super expensive, but it was actually decent price. I mean, you know, ZARA suits are a bit on the expensive side, so this was $150. But the quality, the structure, the detail. Do I need to even say anymore? Do I actually? So I need to stop this spin. The spin is really just what is even happening. But no guys, this is actually so nice. You can obviously button it up like this and, you know, go for like just a super, you know, chic look. The pockets are right here, so we thank God because, you know, pockets are nice. But I probably will wear it like this mostly because I don't really love what's happening here. But that's mostly because if I'm gonna wear it with the shorts, I want you to see the shorts. Like that one is standard. So, you know, I'd probably wear something like this. I can wear the crop top. I feel like maybe a white collared shirt. I'm obsessed with this. A funny story, guys. I actually saw these shorts on ZARA and I was like, and I saw that they had a matching blazer. I went to check out the matching blazer, sold out online. That is the feeling of just sadness. I couldn't believe it. I was so sad, and I was on the phone with my friend and she was like, well, you know, I'm about to head to ZARA right now. And I said, excuse me? Yo, she is officially the real MVP, like hands down. She actually went to ZARA, got this for me and just mailed it over from Atlanta to LA. I said, what are friends for in this life? What are friends for? That's why I have a matching set. I'm gonna try to find a link if they restocked it, but you know how ZARA can be. So, okay. So, next item is this baby blue midi dress. Let me show you guys the detail. Let me come up close. You see that? Peep the detail. And then, can we talk about the open back? I mean, okay, I'm so sorry because I'm not doing this justice, because why in the world is my bra just looking so big and just trash back there? But imagine if there was no bra, how cute that would look. Where could you wear this to? Obviously on vacation, for like dinner. I feel like the baby blue makes it so chic. You can wear this to brunch. I mean, you can do anything in this. It just depends on how extra you want to look, okay? I'm ready to be extra anywhere in this world. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because when I step out of this country, when I step foot on any vacation, it's over. I'm flooding everybody with every possible outfit I've ever bought. Why do I have all these things that I've just bought? Where am I going? Like literally, I'm not leaving the... Okay. This one, I don't really love this. I feel like it looked so cool on the girl, on the model that I saw. You know how ZARA models posing anyhow. I feel like I can still make this work though. The model had red glasses, so I also got them as well. Oh, for me, that just like elevates the whole thing. But then again, I still have to look at this and I'm just like, I don't really know. I'm torn about this piece. I'm torn. I just don't love the fit. I feel like it's not really, it's just, I don't know. And the pattern looked cool online, but now that I'm looking at it, I'm just like, I don't know. Anyway, point of the matter is there is this dress and you know, I can make it work. Like, don't get it twisted. I can make it work, but I'm just like, do I want to have to make it work or do I just want it to already work? You know? Like, who has time? Is this a style? I don't even know if this is a thing, but it shouldn't be a thing because it feels like it should either be like right here or there, not in between. This looks like it's going back and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Oh, 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 come on, come on. Guys, y'all see this slit? Y'all see that? Why did I not move my bra straps? Ignore my bra straps because why? I like it. I like it. The only thing that I have a problem with is kind of like the length of this shirt for the skirt. For the skirt, it's a little bit too long because I just feel like I would like it more if it was like this. You know what I mean? Where it's like, then the skirt can be here and then, you know, the slit, everything is just working together. So maybe I'll just have my friend like hem it or something. So it's like right here. Because I feel like that's where I would like it to be. But regardless, I don't know. It just feels very like flowy. You know, that you should be, you know, in Cartagena or Cuba. I don't even think can you be walking around like this in Cuba? Anyway, but you know, it just feels like you should be somewhere else. Like, where else would you wear this to, you know? I love it. I love it. So, this is a striped dress. Duh. I be saying some things that really don't need to be said. Duh, it's a striped dress. When I tell you that this is so nice, and I keep saying quality because you know sometimes when you order things from like fast fashion places you can almost it's a hit or miss. It's either the material's very flimsy and you're just gonna wear it 1 or 2 times and then you know you're done, but like sometimes you feel things that you're like, ah, this is feeling very expensive, or it's feeling like expensive vibes on a non-expensive budget, you get me? So that's what I'm getting from this. But it also has a little cardigan that I bought as well, which you can wear on top of it. I don't know, it looks cute. A little cuter on the... Okay, this is not really doing what I wanted to do. Maybe if I do that like top button thing then... Okay, see, I think what's happening is my boobs are an issue for this dress. And you know what? That's its own problem because I don't care. I'm still wearing it. This with like a really nice bag and some sandals. Ah, what? No, I like this. I love it. I love it. Let me come up close so you guys can see. It's ribbed as well. These are gold buttons. So listen, I love it. Okay, this dress, okay, is that classy chocolate. When I saw this dress, I was like, boom. Brown, this dark, rich brown. What? What? No. Also, it looks like it's very tight and you can't really breathe, but it's so breathable, and it has that Hervé Leger bandage dress look, but it doesn't give you that sucked in, you know, I can't breathe vibe. If you only get one thing from this haul, it needs to be this, because I don't even know where I want to wear this to, but when the opportunity comes, the dress will call itself out to me, because I'm thinking, and I have nowhere to go. So there's nowhere for me to go. But once there is, wow. I'll show you guys the link, midi. Wow. Zara, you are really stepping up your game. And I'm not mad. I can't be mad. I'm not mad. Wow. I'm not interested. It's 2020 and 2020 has punched me in the face. Punched everyone in the face. I'm not interested in making something work. Look, if it doesn't work, I'm not interested, because I'm thinking, okay, these shorts, you know, maybe I could roll them up, you know, do a little thing like that. For the shirt, maybe I can unbutton this and then maybe like tie it or something. I'm not gonna do any of that. If you see a vision and you like it and you want to buy it, cool. But I don't know who is looking cute in this. I don't really know. Because me, I don't know how to make it work. I don't know. That's a no for me. So, anybody having an all black party? Because I'm gonna show up. Okay, the only real detail is here because the dress itself is just smooth and fitted. But this detail is doing something. You know? You see what's happening there? I don't think it really can go wrong with a little black dress. Like, it really is one of those like, it doesn't have to be form-fitting, but for the most part, when you step up in the scene, especially with the detailing, everyone's gonna be looking at you. I had to do the spin, I like this. I'm a fan. 10 out of 10. Little black dress, all black party, slide in my DMs. Let's go, let's do it. I mean, by the way, I mean in 2021 because nobody should invite me anywhere in 2020 anymore. All of you that are going to parties, that are gallivanting of the streets, I'm side-eyeing all of you because Corona is still around. So I wanted a few basic pieces. So I got this same dress in black as well. But you know how you just want like a tank dress that you can just slip on. You go into a quick little, I don't remember things that people do. I was about to be like, baby shower. Why would there be a quick little baby shower? But you can easily just throw this on and go out to lunch. You can also like layer it. And the only reason I'm layering this is because I want to show you guys this shirt and I don't have any bottoms to show you. I don't think I would wear this together. Maybe, I don't know. But I wanted to show you guys this shirt because this is so cute. Like, imagine, actually, this isn't even bad. It's not even bad. It's not even a bad combo. It's really, really like boxy, but also, what do you call it, loose right here. And so if you wore this with like, you know, like high-waisted jeans, it could be a vibe. I mean, how cute. I just thought I would throw this on top of this new thing because why not? But anyway, this is cute. This is a vibe. They were $19.90 and they feel like they could be good material. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Maybe they'll stand the test of time. That's really it. Like, for some of these pieces, you don't know. They feel good, but then you're not wearing it for even one time and wash it. Done. I feel like I have mastered the art of not getting makeup on my clothes. But there is something. I saw Jackie have this like net thing that she puts on top of her face before she puts clothes on. And I just feel like that just makes so much sense. But I mean, I put my hand, I like cover everything. Yeah, I should probably buy that thing. I also have this shirt right here. It's not really making sense on top of this, but imagine if it was like on something that made sense. But I just thought that this is so put together. The material is really, really sturdy. Like, it's not one of those like, I don't even know, flimsy, nonsense things. So just wanted to show you guys as well. And I love like the contrast. Yeah, this is cute. White pants would make this look mwah. I have one more thing to show you guys. One. It's honestly trash. Like, I don't even know why I bought it. So it's going home. It's going back. But let me show you anyway. So this is on sale. And I thought, oh, this is cute. Like, you know, we're gonna wear it. I just feel like I look like a straight up picnic blanket. And not in like the cute way. Because it just doesn't make sense to me. I had a green school uniform when I lived in Nigeria, when I went to school. I had a green one that looked like this. And I actually feel like there were some schools that had this exact color palette, like the red and white checked situation. But yeah, it looks like a school uniform, picnic blanket. And it's also too short. Like, as soon as you just, like, it doesn't even, I feel like my butt is basically gonna show if I didn't have these things on. One thing I do like about Zara is they have a pretty good return policy. You really can just return whatever you get. And it seems as though I'll be returning this because yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what else you want to see from me as well, because I mean, I'm doing YouTube again. I just want that to be noted because people always wanted to clown me for neglecting my YouTube channel, but I'm here for you. I'm here. If you're not subscribed, also make sure you're already subscribed. I mean, you got to the end of the video. Subscribe now. What is it? I will see you guys in my next video, whatever that is. Until then, stay blessed, and I'll see you later. Bye.